Welcome back, everybody, to our next lesson of Wit and Wisdom. Today, we will be doing lesson 24, and you will need a pencil. You will need your vocabulary packet. Okay, you will need two papers from your vocabulary packet. The first one you will need is going to be Assessment 24A Focusing Question Task 3. It looks like this. There's two of those. Okay, and you're going to need a deep dive conventional spelling practice worksheet named What is Wrong that reads Module 4, Lesson 24 at the bottom. Okay? Right? If you don't have these worksheets and your pencil, go ahead and click pause and go grab your stuff. All right, now that you have all you need, let's go ahead and get started. So, our Module 4 questions. Essential question: why do people admire Cinderella? Focusing question: why do people admire Adelita? And Pear Blossom. And our content framing question: what does a deeper exploration of the characters reveal in the Korean Cinderella? So welcome. Let's look at the verbs below. When I say get ready, I want you to read each blue verb with me. Let's start with the first one. All right. Get ready. Exclaimed. Get ready. Wailed. Get ready. Grumbled. Get ready. Gasped. Get ready. Screamed. Right? Think about what type of action do these verbs describe? They are different ways to tell how a person is speaking. These words give the readers clues as to how the characters are feeling. Okay? Now, the illustration on page 2 from the Korean Cinderella reads as follows. Listen. At last a daughter was born. Good fortune, the old man exclaimed. This is a sentence from the story The Korean Cinderella. I want you to think about, how does the character feel in this sentence? Look at the underlined word. I'm going to read that one more time. At last a daughter was born. Good fortune, the old man exclaimed. Think big. How does the character feel here? How do you think? The man is excited that the baby is born. Listen to another sentence. This one was on page 8 of the book. Too cold, she grumbled. The fire's gone out. Think, how does the character feel? How do you think the character feels? Get ready. In this case, Oni is the character, and she is upset or unhappy because the fire went out. She grumbled. Too cold. Now, verbs like these gives us clues as to how a character is feeling by describing the way they are talking. Other verbs used to describe a character's actions can give us clues to a character's traits as well. Okay? Here are some of Amoni's actions. Now remember, Amoni was Pear Blossom's stepmother. Listen carefully. Scolded means to fuss. She ordered. Order means to tell someone what to do. She demanded. Demanded means to tell someone what to do. And she threatened. Threatened means to say you will cause harm. Based on these actions, what can you infer about Amoni's character traits? Remember, infer is a smart guess. So, based on these actions from Amoni, what she did throughout the story, what can you infer? What can you say about Amoni's character traits? What type of person is she? What do you think? Any ideas? Get ready. Let's see. We can infer that Amoni is mean or evil. Our content framing question. What is a deeper exploration of the main character and other characters reveal or tell us in the Korean Cinderella story? Today we will work to review Pear Blossom's character traits. Okay? Just like we did, we found out some of Amoni's character traits. We're going to look for Pear Blossom's character traits. Let's find out some of Pear Blossom's traits. Think about the character trait that best describes Pear Blossom's actions. Okay? As we do this small activity, I want you to think about the character trait that you think best describes Pear Blossom's action. Here's the action. Pear Blossom cooks and cleans for the whole house. Is she being forgiving? Is she being hardworking? Or is she being grateful? Get ready? Yes, she is being hardworking. Another action. Pear Blossom tells the truth about who helped her with the tasks. Is she being generous, forgiving, or honest? Get ready? Yes, she's being honest. Here's another action. Pear Blossom sews clothes for her stepmother and stepsister. Is she being helpful, grateful, or honest? Get ready? Yes, she's being helpful. Another action. Pear Blossom thanks her stepmother for letting her go to the festival. Is she being helpful, grateful, or honest? Get ready? Yes, she's being grateful. Another one. Pear Blossom thanks the ox for helping her. Is she being thankful, forgiving, or honest? Get ready? Yes, she's being thankful. Now, here are some of Pear Blossom's actions and the trait that describes her. Okay, I'm going to go through each one. The first one, her actions. Cooks, cleans, sews clothes. That describes her as a hardworking and a helpful person. She tells the truth. That describes her as an honest person. She thanks her stepmother and all the creatures that help her. That describes her as a grateful person. Okay, so these are some of her traits. Hardworking, helpful, honest, and grateful. Repeat with me. Some of her traits are, let's read the words in red. Get ready, hardworking. Get ready, helpful. Get ready, honest. Get ready, grateful. Now you will begin planning for your focusing question task 3. You will write an opinion paragraph to answer this question. Do you think Pear Blossom to be admired. Why? To help you plan, I will show you a drawing with a list of her character traits that you may use to support your opinion. Okay? So you're going to be writing an opinion paragraph answering the question, do you think Pear Blossom should be admired? Why do you think she should? So here's Pear Blossom. She's helpful, she's grateful, she's hardworking, and she's honest. Okay? These are some of her character traits. On this paper, boys and girls, that you have in your vocabulary packet, Assessment 24A, Focusing Question, Task 3, you are going to write an opinion paragraph, okay? Your opinion paragraph is going to be about, do you think Pear Blossom should be admired? Why? You're going to use some of those character traits listed on this slide, okay? If you think she should be admired, is it because she's helpful? Is it because she's grateful, hardworking, or honest? You're going to give me the reasons of why she's helpful, why she's grateful, why she's hardworking, or why she's honest, depending on which trait you choose. Here is a sample, okay? This is an example of what your opinion paragraph should kind of look like, okay? I'm going to read this sample. In my opinion, Pear Blossom should be admired. One reason why I think she should be admired is because she worked hard cleaning and sewing clothes. Also, she was honest about telling her stepmother who helped her with the tasks. This shows why I think Pear Blossom should be admired. And on your packet, there's 2 papers. In case you write more and you don't have space, you can write on the other one. Okay, but there's 2 exactly the same. You don't have to use both of them. Okay? Now, here is what your paragraph needs to have. It needs to have an opinion statement. For example, if I go back, in my opinion, Pear Blossom should be admired. That's an opinion statement, the way you start your paragraph. It needs to have reasons, okay? 2 reasons included that supports the opinion statement. Now here on this rubric, it says that it'll give you half a point if you put 1 reason included that supports the opinion statement. However, I will give you credit, okay? It could be 2 reasons, 1 reason, all right? As long as it's clear. And then you should have a conclusion, a clear conclusion. We need conclusions to end our stories, our paragraphs. For example, look at where I'm pointing. This shows why I think Pear Blossom should be admired. That sentence is the conclusion. Remember, it restates your opinion statement. I'm going to go back to the opinion statement. In my opinion, Pear Blossom should be admired. And at the bottom, the last sentence, your conclusion reads, this shows why I think Pear Blossom should be admired. Okay? And then sentence formation. Make sure your sentences make sense. Let's write in complete sentences. Conventions in grammar means all your sentences include or have capital letters and correct punctuation. Okay, make sure you start with a capital letter on each sentence and end with a period. Right? So let's go to our deep dive. Now remember, you're not writing anything yet. Before I move on, this is going to be part of your exit ticket. So don't write anything on here yet. Don't click pause. keep listening to Ms. Hernandez. Okay, put this to the side. So today you will continue to practice using resources to help spell words. The resource you will use today is the story, The Korean Cinderella. All right. Well, we're going to do this practice sheet together. Okay? We are going to go ahead and find out what character name goes within each question, within each sentence. Okay? So let's look at the first one. Blank is the name of the stepmother. Who is the name of the stepmother? Get ready. Yes, Amoni. Number 2. Blank is the main character. Who is the main character? Get ready. Yes, Pear Blossom. Number 3. The blank saw she left a straw sandal. What's the answer? Get ready. Yes, Magistrate. Number 4. Blank is the name of the stepsister. What's the name of the stepsister? Get ready. Yes, Peony. All right, well, the whole point of this practice is to make sure we're spelling the names correctly. So I added them here to the next slide. Okay, so Amoni, Pear Blossom, Magic, and Peony. Right? You also have one. You do this worksheet on your own to keep practicing. You're circling misspelled words. Okay? So that's the one, this worksheet, what is wrong, for lesson 24 is right after your focusing question task 3. Okay, you do this on your own so you can practice looking for misspelled words, right? You don't have to take a picture of this or send it to me. This is on your own. Practice for yourself. And our land. Let's review what we went over today. Today's content framing question. What is a deep version of the characters reveal or tell us in the Korean Cinderella? 3, 2, 1. 3 quick questions. Tell me 3 character traits of Pear Blossom. If you don't have them here at the top of your head, they're right here in red. Let's read them together. 3 character traits for Pear Blossom were, and I wrote 4, okay? But you can name 3. Let's read the ones I wrote. Get ready, hardworking. Get ready, grateful. Get ready, honest. Get ready, helpful. Right? Let's move on to the next question. Tell me 2 character traits of Amoni. Amoni, the stepmother. What type of person was she? Mean. Get ready, evil. And then the last question. Tell me 1 trait you admire most about Pear Blossom. That's your exit ticket. Your exit ticket, that's going to be on here. And I wrote it here. Exit ticket. Upload a picture of your focusing question task 3 to the assignment tab labeled Tuesday, April 14, 2020, Wit&Wisdom exit ticket. Well, if you have any questions, you can go ahead and call me, send me a message, Teams, Remind, Dojo, and I will happily help you, okay? Well, thank you so much. You can also find this video on the exit assignment, on the assignment for the exit uploaded there too. Well, thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful Tuesday. Bye, boys and girls.